Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So this week we are going to do some practice with multiplication and division. You've been doing some multiplication word problems and some division word problems, but the real challenge here, or I should say the real skill, is when you have a word problem and can you figure out, do I multiply or do I divide? Sometimes you might have to do addition or subtraction. But this week, we're going to call it multiply or divide because all the word problems are either going to be to multiply or divide. All right, so let's get started. You need your math packet. Let me zoom out here. That was pretty cool, right? You like that? One of my new tricks. Okay, so if you look at the first page, it says Monday, word problem number 1, okay? Multiply or divide, okay? So this is the problem we're going to work on. Now, we don't know yet, should we multiply or divide? A lot of times what kids do is they see a couple numbers and they just do whatever they feel like. They're like, oh, I see 12 and I see 3, I think I'll add them because I like to add. But that's not going to give you the answer to the problem, okay? So this problem is, let's read it aloud, okay, and then let's take a look. Let's try and remember, as I'm reading it, when you read a problem, you want to visualize, okay, get a picture in your head or like a movie of what's happening to help you understand it. Okay, and then if that doesn't, we can also draw something to help us understand it. All right, so here we go. So it says, Jason has 12 bags of Skittles from Halloween. Okay, so I can imagine 12 bags of Skittles. I like Skittles. I mean, they're good. Not as good as Snickers, but, you know, they're all right. But he doesn't like them. What? He doesn't like them. Okay, that's fine. Maybe he likes Snickers better, too. If he gives an equal number of bags of Skittles to 3 of his friends. Okay, so he has 3 friends. He gives an equal number of them out to them. I'm already getting a sense. Am I going to multiply or divide? How many bags of Skittles do each of his friends get? Okay, so we have to figure out how many bags of Skittles do each of his friends get. So we've got 12 bags of Skittles. So I'm going to draw 12... 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to say those are 12 bags. Okay, and I'm going to use, because it says we can use equal groups, arrays, number line, or area. We can use any model that we want, right? So I think I'm going to use equal groups. So there's 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. And he gives, sorry, my face is in the way. He gives an equal number of bags of Skittles to 3 of his friends. Okay, so there's 12 of them. So I could just do it like this. I could give 1 to this friend, 1 to this friend, 1 to this friend. I'm crossing them out to keep track. These represent bags of Skittles. Anybody have an idea of how many bags of Skittles? So let's see if it ends up being equal. Okay, so it looks like each person gets 4 bags of Skittles. Okay, so the big circles represent each friend, and these are the Skittles, so that's one way you could solve it. So each friend is going to get 4 bags, right? We could have also done it like this. We could have done a number line and said this is 0, he's got 12 bags, and 3 friends get them. So in 3 hops, I need to get to 12. So I could do 5, 10, 15, that doesn't work. 4, 8, 12, that does work. So 4, 8, 12. So that's 3 friends would each get 4 bags of Skittles. That's another way you could have thought about it. Okay, but I kind of like my equal groups. So boys and girls, I'm going to model this first problem for you. The next one I want you to work on your own. Okay, you're going to need to start to figure how to do these on your own, okay? So for a number sentence, we would write, we took 12 bags of Skittles, divided them, right, equally between 3 friends, and each friend got 4 bags. Okay, so that's how you would solve that problem. So you, if you haven't already, you should write this down on your paper, okay? Pause the video and then come back when you're ready. All right, so the next problem that you're going to work on, okay, it's either going to be multiplication or division. I'm going to read it to you, okay? It says, Deacon jumps 5 feet forward at a time. So imagine, he can jump 5 feet at a time. 5 feet. 5 feet, okay? If he jumps 4 times, then how many feet will Deacon travel? So I'm going to give you a hint on this one. I think the number line would be perfect for it because you could show hops, literally, right? Like he's hopping 5 feet at a time, 4 times. So that's what I would do. But if you would rather use equal groups or an array or area model, that's fine too, okay? But you need to show some drawing to help you understand it, and then your number sentence. All right? So do a good job, boys and girls, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.